You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Time for another candy review. Candy dissection tasting review. How's that? I like that. I have now 4. Now, I showed these in a previous video because I tried this one at the Easter series because it came out as spring sprinkles and it had little chicks and little eggs. So I thought, that would have worked great for Easter. So I tried that one already, but we're going to cut that one open. We have the chocolate lava big cup. We have the Reese's big cup. And then we have the caramel big cup king size. These are all king size, by the way. They're all bright orange with different color insets. Like the chocolate lava has got a little purple background around the Reese's with the black lava pouring down on it. The caramel one has a light blue and then caramel pouring down on top of it. The king size just has the king size. It's a half orange or 3/4 orange, quarter yellow packaging. And then the spring one is mainly yellow with the orange Reese's kind of scalloped edge with a little green and the chicks and bunnies. Let us get a top-down view so we can just see all the packaging at one time. There we go. My mouth is watering. I haven't had these since Easter. So I have my cutting board ready. I have these ready. So we're going to take them out and then take a look at them. Let's just see if they got anything on the back. All the nutritional facts and information. Not much on the back. I don't really read this information, but hopefully if you're on the right device, you could zoom in if that's something you really want to learn about. So let's move these out of the way. Let's get the cutting board in. It's important we have a surface to put these on. Now, I'm going to carefully cut these from the back. I know that's not how you open these, but I need to save the packaging in case I need it. So I'll just do this. There's the first one. Mouth watering. Here's the big cup. Ooh, the smell is hitting me already. Here's number 2. This is going to be difficult. I'm going to want to eat them all. And then here's a regular one. Come on, you all work so good. The smell is phenomenal. And then here's the last one. It's got a chocolate, the peanut filling, and then a black lava looking filling. Not a ganache, but something like that. Last but not least. Okay, this one did not slide out as nice as the other ones. Okay, there we go. So let's do this. Let's just move these back so I can keep track, because on the surface they pretty much all look the same. Let's take that one. We'll do it like that so I can keep track of all this. There's that one. That one. Now normally I probably would have eaten 3 of these by now, but I must take my time. This one looks kind of funky on the top. Okay, so now let me do the peel one by one. This is the best part. And this is what I say about most of their products. If it doesn't have this little ridge, like the bunnies and the trees, it's just not the same. I wish they would do those specialty ones with the little scallops around the edge. Here we go. The best part. Okay, there's one. Now watch that peel. It's important. It's so unique to these. One more up here. All right, so let's cut each one, and then I'll open them up, and we'll see what we have. One. Of course, this one was a little harder to cut because it's got the little nuggets in there. That one's soft to cut. Okay. Let us just do that. And we can take a look at the insides of each one. Okay, side view. Hopefully it's as exciting as I think it's going to be with the packaging, but probably not. Because it's hard to really make that creamy looking chocolate. Okay, so they're all the same amount of chocolate. Oh, this one seems thicker on that edge. Now this one I've had. The caramel and this one I have never had, so at least I don't remember having them. Let me see. Let me taste this one. First, let me just show you as you squeeze. See the caramel in there? So there's a nice amount in there. Let me bite. Caramel, peanuts, and chocolate, to me, are one of my favorite combinations. That one is really nice. You get that creamy, you bite, you get the sensation of the chocolate cracking, then the peanut is filling, and then the soft caramel. Let's squish this one. Okay, not as squishy. It doesn't seem like there's nearly as much on the bottom there. It's there, the lava. It does add a little twist to the taste. More chocolatey? That's what I'm sensing. Now this one I've had. This one I liked because you get the little crunchy bits. They're hard little sugar candies. And as you can tell, I do a lot of crunching with those. And then the last one is this one. It's not going to... Just like I always remembered it. I mean, I can't go wrong with a Reese's peanut butter cup. Now, out of all of these, I'm going to say this one here. Because I do like chocolate and caramel. Look at that beautiful layer in there. So nice tasting and looking. That's why I'm going to have another bite. That is really good. That's going to be my fave. Because I'm a huge chocolate caramel fan. Then this one. No, maybe this one. It's between these two. This last. This doesn't really say, ooh, I just ate a Reese's Big Cup with the lava. Look at the picture. See the lava pouring on the top and this nice, huge, gushy layer there? So if there was more of that, I'd probably get more flavor. Well, let's just try one more. You could see it in there. It's there. Tasty. I can't just leave these two little bits here, so I'll eat this one. I don't know if you could tell, but I haven't had chocolate like this since Easter. So over a month. And the last bite, you're going to hear the little bits. Okay. This was a tasty video. So now what do? Do you save these? Yes. These will go upstairs into the family eating area because someone's going to want to try them. That's kind of why I saved the packaging now, so I can represent the video better. I might throw those in recycling. I'm going to pack it all up. See? Looks like I never opened them for the most part. If I did that, it would have a hard time telling that I opened those. I usually do this off camera when I'm putting things away, but you're here now. You might as well stay. There. In order. Let's just do it this way. I'm going to stick with that just because it's always been one of my favorites. The crunchy bits are nice, but I do just like a stock, standard, OEM, Reese's Big Cup in the king size. And thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video. I had fun making it. How many Reese's products have I done on video? Do you know? Does anybody know? I'm going to do R-E-E-S-E apostrophe S. We have Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. That's the one I did for Easter. Then Reese's Peanut Butter and Chocolate Chip Cookie. The Huge Bunny. Reese's Peanut Butter Cup Cookie Pan Tin. Reese's Peanut Butter Halloween Set. Reese's Peanut Butter Cupcakes with Mountain Dew. 5 Reese's Chocolate Bars and 3 flavors of Dr. Pepper. Reese's Mellow Tops. And then it goes into dots. There's Reese's Peanut Butter Sweetheart Valentine. That's another lot. Reese's Elf on the Shelf Christmas Cocoa Mug Set. Reese's Pieces Peanut Butter Cookie Kit. Reese's Peanut Butter Cream Christmas Holiday. Reese's Halloween Franken Cups. Reese's Shake and Break Eggs and Reese's Peanut Butter. Those are round eggs. Eye Carver Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. Reese's Peanut Butter Valentine's Day Hearts. Glow in the Dark M&M and Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. Learn about Valentine's Reese's Heart Peanut Butter. Okay, the Reese's Lovers Collection Christmas. It was a giant. 4 different kinds of Reese's products. Halloween Spooky Hershey Kisses. And it goes on. There's more. Oh, Lunchables. By the way, I found some new Lunchables that I've never tried before. Reese's Spreads Snackster Peanut Butter. Reese's Peanut Butter Mini Eggs. I've done quite a few. Reese's Valentines that had decorations on them. Reese's Snowman. Okay, the list goes on. I think it should have its own playlist. There's just too many of them. Reese's Pumpkins. And it's continuing on. I didn't realize I've done that many. All right, enough of me jibber-jabbering. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I had fun making it. If you're a Reese's fan, which do you think you would like? Or maybe you've tried them and you like or dislike. Let me know. And thanks for watching. Later. If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.